and today I am making and sharing with you a plum salsa. It's a plum salsa with habanero. This salsa comes out so delicious that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have black pepper, salt, a piece of ginger, white and red onion, garlic cloves, habaneros, and of course the star that is our plums. So let's get ready. Let's start making this plum habanero salsa. Okay, I have all my ingredients here. I am going to remove my garlic cloves, my 2 onions. I'm going to put it aside and let's go wash the plums and the habaneros. We want to make sure that we rinse every single one by one, making sure that we rinse them very good, making sure that the skin of the plum is nice and cleaned. And this is what I like to do always with all my veggies. This is a very important step. On the habaneros, I'm going to take the little stem off, just making sure that you don't pinch them or else your fingers are going to get really, really hot and they're going to be burning, my friends. So just make sure that you wash them during running water, and this is done. I am so ready to start making my plum salsa. I have all my ingredients here. What I'm going to do in my saucepan, I'm going to add the onions, my garlic cloves. I'm going to add them here, and I'm going to add my habanero peppers. I'm going to add everything on my saucepan. And now I am ready to start cutting and slicing my plums, making sure that you get the bone right in the middle, but making sure you don't cut yourself, because this bone, it's really, really hard to get out. So just be careful and just take it slowly. Look how hard this is. This is very hard. I just want to make sure that you don't cut yourself while you're doing this. Look how hard it is. It even jumped out of my hands. Okay, so we're going to remove the bone and we're just going to cut and slice in pieces our plums. I'm going to do the same with every single one, making sure that we take the little bone in the center off because we don't want that. But this is another way you could do it. Just go around the bone, look, just the way I'm doing it here. So like that, you don't get cut and nothing jumps all over the place, my friends, okay? So I'm just going to slice it and add it to my saucepan. And this is the last one. They are very firm. I'm going to go ahead, slice it through the middle, and then just cut the sides and do the same thing with the bone. I know that it takes time, but this salsa is going to come out so delicious and so spicy. But it's spicy where you really love the spiciness, whether it's not too hot for you, okay? So I know that you're going to love this salsa. You're going to add 1.5 cups of water, and let's take it to the stove. My stove is on, and I am ready to start cooking the plums. My friends, I have added everything here. I'm going to let it boil for at least 5 minutes so that the chili habanero starts releasing all that delicious flavor and the plums start get nice and soft. So I'll see you back in about 5 minutes. It started boiling already. It's been boiling for about 2 minutes, and I'm going to wait until the 5 minutes so all that habanero loosens up, gets nice and soft and soggy, and releases the flavor. So I'll see you in a bit. I wanted to show you that it has been cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to turn my stove off, and then I'm going to let it rest for just a couple minutes. I'm removing my pan from the stove. It's still a little hot please make sure that you don't burn yourself. I have my blender here. I'm going to add everything in here slowly so nothing jumps out of my blender. And then I'm going to add the liquids. This is a very important because most of the flavor is in the liquid. So we want to use all the liquid we have here. We're going to go ahead, blend it really nicely for just a couple minutes. Before we do that, I'm adding my black pepper. I'm going to add my salt. And I'm going to add the piece of ginger. Okay, this is done, and let's blend it. I'm going to cover it. The opening of the blender is open. Just put a little napkin on the top so you don't get burned. Let's blend it for just a couple minutes, okay? I'm adding it to a molcajete. Look at this. I want to show you the texture of the salsa. Look how thick it is. Look at this. Look how beautiful the salsa looks. You could add it to tacos, tostadas, chilaquiles, whatever you desire, my friends. Even just a plain quesadilla. Well, this is ready, my friends. I am ready to make the presentation, and I'm ready to taste this delicious plum salsa. See you in a bit. I am done with my plum salsa. Look at this. This came out delicious. But you know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipes. I'm adding some salsa to my quesadillas, and I am ready to taste this delicious salsa. Let's see how this came out, my friends. You know, this is the part I love. Excuse me. Very delicious, but yet not too overwhelming of hot. It's not that hot. The habanero sauce gives it such a kick to the plum. It's just amazing, my friends. Let's see. Excuse me. This salsa is just perfection. And of course, I'm going to combine it with a cilantro agua fresca. I know, my friends, you already have this recipe of my agua fresca of cilantro in my channel. Excuse me. Very refreshing. The taste of the cilantro gives it such a delicious, and the lime, delicious flavor. Perfect for this weather, for summer. Summer is just around the corner, and let's get ready with our salsas and our agua frescas. Thank you so much, my friend, for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not? Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my plum salsa. Bye-bye.